Talk about that is microcontrollers and development boards. So there are many, and I won't be able to talk about all of them today, but yes, we will be discussing some of it today, and according to the requirement, we will move. So, what is a microcontroller? When I talk about microcontroller, so this is a quite important terminology, and we use it a lot in our daily regular lives, chips and all, IC chips. So, microcontroller, microprocessor, you can see one image also I have put here. A microcontroller is simply a computer, a compact integrated circuit. Okay, it's a compact integrated circuit designed to govern a specific operation in an embedded system. Typically, the microcontroller include the processor, memory, and input-output peripherals on the single chip. Micro means very small. So a microcontroller is a small computer on a single integrated circuit. That is the IC chip, integrated circuit chip. And it contains a processor core, memory, and input-output peripherals. And microcontroller is a compressed microcomputer manufactured to control the functions of embedded systems in office machines, robot, home appliances, motor vehicles, and a number of other gadgets. So microcontroller is a, like you can say, is comprised of different components like memory, peripheral, and importantly a processor. And what is a development board? So development board is known as the PCB, printed circuit board. You must have heard about it previously. When I talk about the printed circuit board, that is PCB. So PCB, like you can say, is used to mechanically support and electrically connect electronic components using connective pathways. Track on single tracks, you can say signals also, and you can say it is a laminated sheet. Okay, so the PCB component include transistors, fuses, resistors, and capacitors, and which all play their part to ensure we have smooth running devices. A development board is also known as microcontroller board. It is a printed circuit board that provides a platform for developing applications using microcontroller. So it typically includes the microcontroller, memory, power supply, and input output interfaces. And development boards make it easier for the developers to interact with the microcontrollers and prototype their projects. So you can see this is Arduino Uno development board in front of you right now. This is the image of it, Arduino Uno. There are multiple versions of Arduino Uno. Arduino. So the Arduino Uno is simply the low cost, flexible and easy to use programmable open source microcontroller board that can be integrated into the variety of electronics projects. And this board can be interfaced with the other Arduino boards also. Arduino Shields, Raspberry Pi board, and LED, relays, sensors, they all can be connected through it. Now let's talk about some, like this was one example actually. Arduino Uno was one example. There are many different kind of boards. I just have shown you one economic board in the real life which we use. Now, if we talk about the microcontrollers, like the key components, which are the key components? You can say what are the key components of a development board? So microcontrollers, already talked about. The brain of the board, responsible for processing data and controlling all the other components. Memory is there. Memory does what? It stores program, instructions, and data. Then power supply is there. Power supply provides the necessary power to the board. Without the power, how it will run? So power supply is there. Memory will be storing the data and instructions. Microcontroller is working as a brain. It actually gives us, like it operates it. And then input output IO means input output interfaces. So IO allow communication with external devices such as sensor, actuators, and the displays. Then the programming interface. So it provides a way to upload and run programs on the microcontroller. With the help of programming interface, you will be able to run your programs there. Now the popular microcontroller development boards Simply, there are many different types of development boards available, and each with its own strengths and weakness. Some of the most popular, simply Arduino, which is known for its simplicity and ease of use. And Arduino is a great choice for beginners also. Raspberry Pi is there, originally designed as a low-cost computer. So Raspberry Pi also also can be used as a development board for the more complex projects. It's a bigger one. So ESP32, so a powerful and versatile microcontroller with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities, making it ideal for the IoT projects. ESP32 is also there. Then STM32 is there. It offers high performance and flexibility, making it suitable for a wide range of applications.